So now in this video we're going to look at a really simple polarity indicator circuit. The LED that lights up will depend on the polarity of the power supply. So we don't know if that side's more positive or that side's more negative unless we look at which LED is lighting up. So we have the limitations, of course, of the LEDs. Usually they're 20 milliamps or less. The resistor, usually they're quarter watt resistors. That's the most common, but still you want to keep it below 1/8 of a watt. So we're not going to go into that in detail. This is a quick video, but be aware of that. So in any case, we have the breadboard here. For this video series, I'm going to build the circuits on a breadboard for people not used to that. So in any case, we're going to start off with a 5-volt power supply. So I got a 220 ohm resistor right here, and we're going to connect it to one of the power rails right there. Now we'll zoom in and look at the LEDs. So they'll connect to the end of the resistor and then to our other supply rail. So I'm deciding that since that rail's red, that rail's blue, we're going to use a green light to indicate, yes, you have the right polarity. So the long lead, the anode's going to go here. That's that side of the LED. Short lead, the cathode, is that side. The band right there. So longer lead up. The red LED, we're going to do the opposite. So the long lead, the anode's going to go down here. So anode to cathode there. And then the cathode is going to go to the anode there. Pretty straightforward. That is it. So 220 ohms, that means we can go to about 5 volts approximately. So let's see if the power supply is wired to it properly. I'll hit the power button. There you can see the green LED lit up. So we have to plan ahead what the color codes mean in order to read the results. But there you can see we did that. So now also notice there's about 8 milliamps of current flowing, and the green LED is really bright. So I'm going to pull out the red jumper. So this power supply comes to the alligator clips, and I'm going to shuffle the blue alligator clip, or the clip to the jumper. Going to put the blue jumper there, and then to the positive side, the red jumper to the negative side. And there you can see we have more current right now, but the red LED is lit up. Red LEDs actually don't get as bright as these green LEDs, even if they got the same amount of current. In fact, there's more current going through the red LED. It's not as bright. So you got to factor that in. So we did that with 5 volts. If you think there's a potential of more voltage, then this is a 1 kilo ohm, 1000 ohm resistor. You're going to see there's a lot less current right now. And so you can still see the red LED though. This is as bright as this lamp gets, but it's not horribly bright. It's probably like average brightness for a house. And there you can see the red LED. So, and now we'll go to the green LED, how much brighter it is. But this allows us, the 1 kilo ohm resistor, to go to about 12 volts approximately. So there you can see we got about the same amount of current that we did before with the lower value resistor and a lower voltage. And so you got to take those into effect. But in any case, there we go. Now we got them wired backwards. The red LED is lit. So that's it for this circuit. Pretty straightforward. We'll come back to the diagram. And I'm going to post some more videos to check out. On the screen, the subscribe button, all that. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Click the bell for notifications and all that good stuff. I'm going to do more circuits coming up, getting more complex for the most part as we go along. I may throw in a more complex one in here or there along the way. They'll be in order of easiest to more complex on the website though. So see ya in the next video.